So we have Bachelor of Arts in Education, Early Childhood Education. Is one of the popular courses in now, or programs in now. We have 100 level courses to be registered here, and you're expected to pass all of them. You register all and pass all of them. They're all 2 unit courses, and that's why the course material fee or the textbook fee is 2,000. So you're expected to do your course registration. We call it course registration, and the fee is 2,000 for 2 unit courses. 3 units is 2,500. Even 1 unit is 2,000 as the cost of the course materials. And there's a flat fee of 1,000 per course for exams. If you want to sit for exams, you must pay your exam fee. Anyway, that's the structure of education in Nigeria. Okay, yeah. And then sum this up, assuming you have course material fee plus exam fee, will give you 3,000, and that's how we got all these 3,000 here. To have summed up to 30,000, you have the first compulsory fee to be 36,000 is normal, is general across all the programs in NOUN. Currently is 36,000. So if you move to the next semester, to 100 level second semester, it will become 18,000. To become 18,000 from second semester 100 level up till you graduate, 18,000. So, but for now, you sum them up, you will having 66,000. The cost of registering all your courses for exams and course material plus the compulsory fee, you'll be having 66,000 as your total fee for 100 level first semester. Then 100 level second semester, these are your courses. Still a lot. You have up to 24 credit unit courses, but 22 are required of you, which means some of these from the electives here you may drop one of the electives or so. But make sure there is one elective here. Make sure you register one elective. So the fees are calculated the same way as in first semester, and you have, assuming you register all of them, you'll be having 33,000 for the registration. Then the compulsory fee of 18,000 added to that will sum up to 51,000 for 100 level second semester. Then for 200 level first semester, you have these courses to be registered. All of them are supposed to be registered and passed. Oh, if you are a direct entry student, then you must add GST 107 to them, the list of courses, and then that makes your own 24, because it's a 2 unit course as well. It makes your own 24. It's a requirement. The directorate will not tell the school to award you if you have not passed this course, GST 107. Your own department might say clear, you have cleared everything, but the directorate of this general studies may not say the same thing. Okay, so your exam fees and all that, sum them up, you have 48,000 for your 200 level first semester. Then 200 level second semester, these are your courses. You also have a micro teaching here. We don't register it for exams because it's not examinable, sort of practical. Practical courses, you don't register them for exams. GST courses, don't joke with them. So you have to, there are 25 unit courses here, but 23 are required of you. So you know how you sort it out. When you go through your registration, you have to keep one aside. And your fee is 53,000 for this semester, 200 level second semester. Okay, then we go to 300 level first semester, and these are your courses including teaching practice, of 10,000 supervision fee, you don't register it for exams because it's not examinable. You can say 3 units course here is 2,005. So you sum this up the same way and you will be getting 46,500 as your 300 level first semester fee. You can see there are unused credit units here. This one is just 16 units. So if you had any carryover from previous semesters, you can bring them here. Your 16 means you have 8 unused units here to make it 24, which means about 4 courses. You can add up to 4 courses if you have 2 credit units. So let's go. Here we have 300 level second semester GST 302 is compulsory. Prepare a business plan, present it, and then move on. So you have 12 units. If you still have some leftover courses, you bring them in. So post-teaching practice evaluation is not practical and that much. You just have to write something, but it's not examinable, so you don't pay for the exam fee. 35,000 is your fee for the second semester, 300 level. Now this is your final semester, final year, and these are your courses. You have another teaching practice, 10,000 supervision fee, and you don't register it for exams. You have 17 units, so there's a lot of spaces for you, unused credit units for you to clear anything called carryover before your final semester. And your fee for this semester is 49,000. And welcome to your last and final semester. If you have successfully cleared all your carryovers and all that, you should be here and you will have your project for units. 15,000 is the standard cost of projects for any undergraduate program in NOUN. So you have 22 of 22, you have to pass all of this. This is the most challenging semester because no chance for carryover. If you carry any course over here, you are likely going to come back to the school and register it again with 18,000, maybe just to take an exam for one course or 2 courses. We don't pray for that. So in the end, you have carried 182 credit units, 3 credit loads. You have registered, that's something that carried. And then you are expected to have passed up to 175 in order to be awarded the Bachelor of Arts in Education for Early Childhood Education. So if you have ended up to this 175 at this point, then you are a graduate. Congratulations. Or 140 if you came into direct entry. If you came into direct entry and you have ended up to 140 credit units, your name should be on the next graduation list. And your fee for the semester is actually 60,000.